She needs to remove yesterday's mascara, still under her eyes. I'm using the E45 Daily Lotion. Oh, yeah, I wanted to talk about, because you just saw me wash my face, the Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clearing Facial Wash. This one. Absolutely love it. It's seriously, I'm going to brush my hair. It's you know, this can be a look, but I'm going to brush my hair. When it says skin clearing facial wash, skin clearing. I had that, you know, sometimes you get those little small, like, teensy wincy spots. I had those a couple of weeks ago, and literally, this has been the only thing I've been using, apart from that coconut oil and the E45 Daily Lotion. But before, like, this, I started noticing, when I started using this, my skin was literally more clearer. Like, those small little bumpy spots were gone. Like, I feel like even my pores are like minimized. So I love this. This is a small one. It's the £3 one. This is my first bottle. And yeah, because I know tea tree is really good when it comes to blemishes. But yeah, go and get it. Sometimes you don't even need to put water on your fingers to mix it up. Just pull it on your face like that, and then go wash it off with water later. It's really refreshing. You can get the bigger bottle. I got the £3 one. I was like, let me just try it out. I am gonna buy it again, but I'm gonna stick to a small bottle. It's lasted quite a long time. I think it's been over. This has been since the shops reopened back in July. I bought this back in June, and it's late. Well, you're watching this video in September, but it's late August now. What's this kid doing? Anyways, it's breakfast time. I need to go and get ready. Where's my hairband? I think I left it downstairs. Hey guys. Oh gosh, this baby. Popped into Poundland the other day and bought this Windoline glass and shiny service it. Week free it's got vinegar in it. Oh, I didn't see that bit. I'm looking for something to wipe my glass, because the Flash Lemon that I usually use, it's not working well when to like wipe the glass. It was before, but I don't know what's happened. Pick this up in Poundland, and yeah, it's got vinegar in it, and vinegar is good when it comes to glass. I've heard. You might not be able to see, but you can see, like, this is glass, right? It's not crispy clear glass. The past 2 weeks I've been trying to like get it to be really clear, and it's not working. So let me try this. It worked! If I bring you close, yeah, this end, you can see it's clear. You can see here, it's a bit foggy, isn't it? I haven't wiped that bit. So it's actually worked.